Good morning, dear children. How are you? Very good. I hope all are you good. Okay, so children, do you remember what was the day yesterday? Yesterday was Wednesday and today is Thursday. Yes, and Thursday comes after Wednesday. Yes, and today is 28 January, Thursday. It is Thursday. And this is very lovely. Good morning. It's a sunny day, but it is cold. So you have to be very careful with your clothes. Yes, you have to be warm. Keep yourself warm. Wear sweaters, jackets, caps. Yes? Okay. Now let's start our class. So are you ready for the class, children? Yes, very good. Okay, so children, all of you know we are learning phonics, sounds. Yes? And today we will revise all the phonic sounds. And then we will learn a new sound today. Okay. Now children, this is your alphabet small letters book and we will take a look from beginning, from first sound. So children, this is a sound. Which sound is this? A sound. A for alligator. A. Yes? And after, here you can see the formation of A sound, curve and a small standing line. And after A sound comes B sound. Which sound is this, children? This is B sound. B for banana. Yes, B sound. With standing line and a curve. And after B sound, which sound comes, children? K sound. This is K sound. K for cake. K. Make a curve and this is K sound. And after K sound comes, can you tell me, children, which sound is this? This is D sound. D for doll. D, doll. D, drum. Yes. Okay. And after D sound, do you remember, children, which sound is this? This is A. A sound. A for elephant. A elephant. Here you can see the formation of A sound, sleeping line and a curve. This is A sound. Yes. And after A sound you can see this is F sound. Yes, children, this is F sound. For flower. Flower. Yes. And after sound, here is, can you tell me, children, which sound is this? This is G sound. G. G for goat. G, goat. Make curve, standing line, then a small curve for G sound. After G sound, this is sound. H, hen. H, hen. Yes. And after her sound, standing line, curve and down. This is her sound. After her sound, we have learned sound. I for ink pot. Ink pot. And this is very easy to write. Standing line and a dot. This is sound. And after sound, we have learned. Which sound is this, children? J. J for jam. J, jelly. This is J sound. Standing line and a curve and a small dot here. This is J sound. Now today, children, we will learn a new sound and it is come after J sound. This is K. This is K sound. And children, as you know that this sound is also K sound. All of you know that this is K sound and this is also K sound. इसको भी K sound कहते हैं children और इसको भी K sound बोलेंगे. Okay. This is also K sound and this is also K sound. But K for जो vocabulary words हैं वो different हैं and here this K sound we are having different vocabulary words. Okay, हमने K for cake, K for cap, K for cup, K for car, K for comb सीखा था. Yes, लेकिन अब हम K sound से अलग अलग vocabulary सीखेंगे. Okay, this is also K sound and this is also K sound. दोनों का same sound आएगा. Okay, लेकिन this K sound has different vocabularies and this K sounds have different vocabularies. Okay, and this K sound इस वाले K sound का different song है. Okay, so today we will learn K sound. After J sound comes K sound. Okay. Okay, now see, this is standing line, slanting line and slanting line. This is K sound. Now we will see some pictures of K sound. So children, can you tell me what is this? This is kangaroo. K for kangaroo. This is kangaroo. And kangaroo is a wild animal. This is animal. K for kangaroo. Yes. Okay, now see. This is the picture of kitchen. All of you know now what is kitchen, where your mama cooks food for you. Yes, this is K for kitchen. K, kitchen. Yes. And now, I know all of you know what is this. Can you tell me? Yes, it's a key. K, key. when we start the car, when we start the scooter, and when we lock the house with key. जब हम घर लॉक करते हैं, मम्मा जब आप when you go out and when we close the door, तो हम क्या करते हैं? की से लॉक करते हैं. Yes, and when we start to go out and we start the scooter, car, तो हम scooter and car किससे start करते हैं? K for key से. Yes, this is K, key. Very good. Okay. Now, see. Can you tell me, children, who is this with a crown? This is K for king. K, king. Yes, he wears crown, colorful clothes. Yes, so he is king. सब लोग खेलते हैं ना queen and king. Yes, so boys क्या बनते हैं? King and girls queen. So this is K for king. Yes. Okay, now I know all of you like this, and this is K for kite. Yes, we fly kite in the sky. All of you love to play with this. Yes, this is K for kite. K, kite. And can you tell me, children, which fruit is this? This is kiwi. K, kiwi. This is kiwi. It's a fruit. Kiwi is a fruit and it is very, very healthy. Yes. Outside brown color and inside green and yellow color. This is very juicy and very, very healthy fruit. So this is K for kiwi. K, kiwi. K for kiwi. Okay, so children, this is K sound and we have learned today some vocabulary words of K sound. Now this is the time for K sound song. Okay, let's start. Kites are flying in the sky, ka-ka-ka. Kites are flying in the sky, ka-ka-ka. Kites are flying in the sky, flying in the sky, ka-ka-ka. Okay, one more time. Kites are flying in the sky, ka-ka-ka. Kites are flying in the sky, ka-ka-ka. Kites are flying in the sky, flying in the sky, ka-ka-ka. Okay, so now children, we will learn how to make K sound with Play-Doh. Okay, so be ready with your Play-Doh or you can take art also. So be ready for learning K sound. Okay, so children, now let's start to learn how to make K sound. This is Play-Doh and we will take some Play-Doh in our hand and roll it slowly, 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 and now like this. Roll it long, long, long and make a standing line like this. Now take some more Play-Doh, roll it with your hand and make a slanting line with this and keep it here. And now take some more Play-Doh and make a slanting line there like this, and this is curve for kite. One more time, children, we will make. Take some more Play-Doh, roll it with your hand, roll, 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 make a standing line, and now take some more Play-Doh and roll with your hand, make a slanting line like this, and now take some more Play-Doh, again roll with your hand and make a slanting line like this and keep it like this. So this is curve for kite, curve for kitchen, curve for king, curve for kiwi, and curve for kangaroo. And what was the song of curve sound, children? Kites are flying in the sky, ka-ka-ka. Kites are flying in the sky, ka-ka-ka. Kites are flying in the sky, flying in the sky, flying in the sky, ka-ka-ka. Okay, children, now keep practicing of ka sound and learn all the vocabulary words of ka sound. And we will meet again with ka sound and with new work of ka sound. Till then, children, take care, keep learning, and bye-bye.